Although September is Food Safety Education Month, food safety is important to both operators and customers every day of the year. In this food safety training, we will be introducing best practices for staff hygiene and highlighting the differences between cleaning, sanitizing, and disinfecting. But before we dive into our training, let's find out why food safety is so important.
Food safety. There are over 250 different types of foodborne illnesses. Each year, 48 million people get sick from contaminated food. That's 1 in every 6 Americans. 128,000 people are hospitalized, and 3,000 deaths occur each year from mishandled food. But the most startling fact is that these cases are all preventable. Food items that are especially at risk are those that are sensitive to time and temperature control, and foods that are ready to eat like lettuce, fruits, vegetables, and anything else that doesn't require cooking. The flow of food is complex. Understanding the way food moves through a kitchen is vital to identifying critical control points. A plan, including color coding and NSF-approved food handling products, can reduce the potential for cross-contact and help reduce the threat of cross-contamination. Easy access lids are a convenient and sanitary way to reduce unwanted physical contaminants from entering food in a prep area or buffet. Coldmaster cold holding food pans keep temperature sensitive foods out of the danger zone during operating hours. Coldmaster Cool Check food pans even change color when the temperature is no longer food safe. Personal hygiene is also an important aspect of food. The Sparta hand and nail brush cleans hands thoroughly, especially under the fingernails, where bacteria collects. Carlisle Food Service Products is dedicated to helping you maintain food safe practices.
For the month of September, we have put together a schedule of food safety topics that we will feature each week. This infographic will be made available to you on our website. Foodborne illnesses are a serious matter and come from 3 main sources. Biological includes pathogens like viruses and bacteria, while chemical contaminants include cleaners and sanitizers. Physical objects in food can include everything from fish bones to Band-Aids. Food can become unsafe in these 5 ways. However, we are going to focus on the last 2 on the list, using contaminated equipment and poor personal hygiene practices. Now that we know why hand hygiene is important, we'll dive in a little deeper. It is imperative that food handlers wash hands appropriately and do not work while having symptoms of being sick to avoid becoming the cause of a foodborne illness. If you suspect that an employee may be sick, you can utilize a non-contact thermometer to check for a potential fever. Let's take a quick look at our Sanitizing FDA-approved non-contact infrared thermometer.
Introducing the new non-contact FDA infrared forehead thermometer from Sanitizing. It is a commercial-grade contact-free thermometer that is pre-calibrated and comes with a 1-year warranty. Its lit display will change from green to orange or red when a fever is present. Temperature readings may be taken in either Celsius or Fahrenheit, and the thermometer will store the last 15 readings taken. Its patented probe design ensures high accuracy and features an automatic shutoff. The thermometer has received FDA approval, among others. It has a temperature range up to 109.2 degrees Fahrenheit. To take an accurate reading, ensure that the probe is held 1 to 2 inches from the forehead. AAA batteries are included in the product packaging. The one trigger 1 second response time makes it easier than ever to screen for a potential fever. You can find this product and more at sanjamar.com.
Before we talk about when and how to correctly wash hands, it's important that food handlers know where to wash hands. It is critical that the only sink used for hand washing is a designated hand washing station. In this picture, it looks like the employee is using either a 3-compartment sink or prep sink, which is a great example of what not to do. Additionally, hands should be washed after just about any activity where they could be contaminated prior to handling, prepping, or serving food. Hands should also be washed each and every time gloves are changed during food prep or serving. Properly washing hands begins with as warm of water as you can stand, followed by enough soap to form a lather. Then rubbing hands together for at least 20 seconds, using a nail brush to clean under fingernails and between fingers. Then rinse hands and dry with a clean paper towel. Using a new paper towel rather than a dish towel or other item ensures that new pathogens are not transmitted to the clean hands from whatever is used to dry them. Air dryers are not an appropriate way for food handlers to dry their hands, as it can stir up pathogens into the air. This hand washing guide was created specifically for this food safety training and will be made available to you on our website. Now that we've covered when, where, and how to wash our hands, let's look at the products that ensure that employees have everything they need for good hand hygiene. Not pictured here is a dedicated hand washing sink with access to hot water. Also critical to a hand washing station are paper towel and soap dispensers. I love our hybrid models because they can be hands-free the majority of the time, but can still be used if the batteries run out mechanically. All of our dispensers are universal, so you have more freedom of choice with regards to paper and soap, as well as potential cost savings. Our Sparta hand and nail brush kit is fantastic because the brush can hang on the wall and can also be removed for cleaning. Finally, staff will need a place to put their paper towels after drying their hands, so a waste container is a must. However, there are a few more items that can take a hand washing station to the next level. Make sure staff washes hands properly by posting something like our new handout or this great hand sink smart chart that includes instructions in both English and Spanish. Also, since food handlers are supposed to wash their hands prior to applying a bandage, having our Manicare bandage dispenser available at the hand washing station makes more sense than having the staff run all over the operation while potentially bleeding. What's even better about the Manicare is that the bandages can come in blue and are dispensed one at a time. Finally, due to the fact that hands are supposed to be washed each time gloves are changed, having glove dispensers by the hand sink is a great way to encourage and remind staff. Don't have a hand washing station where you need it? Don't have running water in that location? One great solution is mobile hand washing stations available with and without paper towel and soap dispensers. Food safety starts with clean and sanitized equipment, and understanding the difference between cleaning, sanitizing, and disinfecting is key. If equipment has not been cleaned and sanitized correctly between uses, pathogens can be spread to food in the following ways. Food prep items are not washed and sanitized between uses. Food contact surfaces are wiped alone rather than being cleaned and then sanitized. Wiping cloths are not stored properly in a sanitizer solution between uses, and sanitizer solutions are not the proper dilution level to effectively sanitize equipment. This infographic makes it easy to see the difference between the 3 applications. Cleaning physically removes visible dirt and debris from surfaces. Sanitizing helps to reduce the number of germs and bacteria from surfaces. Disinfecting goes deeper by killing pathogens and stopping the spread of viruses. The natural reaction to this is to disinfect everything, but food contact surfaces can be contaminated by disinfectants. So food contact surfaces may need an additional rinse step. Even student tables and desks could be considered food contact surfaces if they are eating in the classroom. This handout will also be made available to you on our website. One piece of equipment often overlooked is repeat use utensils used in food prep. The innovative Sanity makes it easier than ever to keep them clean and sanitized.
presenting another innovation from Sanjamar. In a frenzied kitchen, it's easy to neglect safe and sanitary practices. For the sake of efficiency, you may be exposing customers to health hazards and contaminants in the prep area unknowingly through repeated use of utensils. Sanjamar's new innovative Sanitation system enhances food safety and efficiency from prep to plate, right where you need it. The versatile NSF-certified Sanitation is conveniently located in your kitchen or front of house for quick and easy access to clean and sanitize the tools of your trade without disrupting the workflow. In just 3 quick, simple steps, you gain more control over cross-contamination risks. No other method matches it. 1. Slide your utensil over the front red wiper to remove heavy food debris. 2. Scrub the utensil between the brushes until visibly clean, allowing the utensil to submerge in the solution for 60 seconds. No water rinse required. 3. Wipe the utensil dry on the green wiper if going back into immediate use, or place the utensil in the drying basket. Sanitation keeps utensils clean and sanitized between uses while providing convenient, safe storage. NSF D2 certified Sanitation solution kills illness-causing bacteria like E. coli, Salmonella, Listeria, and Staph aureus. These pre-portioned cleaning and sanitizing packets are the only chemical that can be used with Sanitation. Other chemicals are not an appropriate substitute. Solution needs to be changed every 4 hours or when it tests below 50 parts per million, depending on your health code. Keep your solution in peak performance by using Sanistrips throughout the day to check for proper chemical dilution. This time-saving, game-changing innovation in food safety comes in 3 easy-to-install models and a variety of sizes, depending on your food prep needs. Use it on the countertop, hooked to the counter, or attached to a wall. Sanitation from Sanjamar ensures your kitchen stays smart, safe, and sanitary. See more at sanjamar.com.
One common practice we've seen is keeping knives and other repeat-use utensils in a Kleen-Pail with quat sanitizer. Something to keep in mind is that quat sanitizer is not food safe. However, the chlorine-based sanitizer in the Sanitation is. Each Sanitation comes with color-coded pre-portioned chemical packs as well as test strips. We recommend changing the chemical every 4 hours or when the test strips show a dilution below the recommended amount. Although the Sani-Pack chemical was created for use in the Sanitation, it can also be used as a hard surface cleaner and sanitizer. You can spray and wipe to clean, then spray again and let sit for 60 seconds to sanitize. The surface can then be wiped or left to air dry.
For more than 65 years, our brands have provided solutions for food service, healthcare, and sanitary maintenance. With the recent changes in our industry, that commitment to excellence has not changed. The demand for effective cleaning and sanitary procedures have never been more important. The CFS Brands team is here to help. Our focus is to provide solutions that matter and create partnerships that last. From the loading dock to dining room, our food service operations are nothing but surfaces. Our innovative Sani-Station was specifically designed to clean and sanitize repeat-use utensils. The Sani-Station chemical can also be used as a hard surface cleaner and sanitizer. Simply mix the 0.5-ounce Sani packet with 32 ounces of hot water and combine for use in either a spray bottle or Kleen-Pail application. To clean, spray and wipe immediately. To sanitize, spray, and let sit 60 seconds before wiping. No matter where you find yourself serving, preparing, or protecting, the CFS brands are here to make food safety a priority.
The Sani-Station Hard Surface Cleaning Kit comes with a labeled 32-ounce spray bottle, 100 Sani packs, test strips, and instructions. As for Kleen-Pails, we've got one for just about everything, including red and green. The Sani-Pack chemical can also be used in a Kleen-Pail application. Thank you for participating in this food safety training.